Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to maximize annual allowance with autos in trading 212 ISA. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your trading 2121 ISA account. So once you have opened it, all you gotta do is simply create your own investment pie. For this, you need to choose the investment that aligns with your long-term goals and risk tolerance. You can build a custom pie from scratch or use one available model pies. Now you need to set up your auto investment and schedule your regular deposits as well. After doing this, you can benefit from the fractional share. Trading 2121 SPY use fractional share, which means you can invest small amounts of the money in the expensive stocks and ETFs. Now understand the ISA rules and you're all set. So this is how you can maximize annual allowance with autos in trading 212 ISA. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.